had my relation with my mom, uh, it has changed drastically. I have suddenly seen a lot of changes in her, and I was facing a lot of problem, and because of that, I had a lot of mental stress because of that. But suddenly, she's become totally calm, and she is become so friendly. She's understanding what I'm trying to tell her. So again, that is a major change, and thanks to you, Veshu. It is really, I don't know where I found you, how I found you on the Facebook, and I just joined, the free session. But somehow, you see a lot of people on the Facebook doing this, but I don't
Yes.
know, somehow when I saw your ad, something attracted me. Something, I'm not, not just because I have to tell here, it really attracted me. No, I want to join, because, and immediately I paid. But there are many people where you think whether you want to pay or you don't want to pay. So yes, thank you. I have seen a lot of changes in my life, and that is for sure. And
Thank you.
not doing everything 100% yet.
Yes.
Yes. Thank you
Thank
very
you.
much. Thank you
Thank
all.
you.